eating well without overspending. Sampling local cuisine is one of the joys of travel, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Street food markets are a paradise for budget travelers, offering delicious meals at unbeatable prices. From pad thai in Bangkok to tacos in Mexico City, street food gives you an authentic taste of the culture. Cooking your meals is another effective way to cut costs. Booking accommodations with kitchen access lets you shop at local markets for fresh ingredients and prepare your favorite dishes. It's a fun way to explore local food culture while keeping your budget intact. Dining out doesn't have to break the bank. Look for small, family-run restaurants or lunchtime deals that offer set menus at reduced prices. Apps and websites like Yelp or TripAdvisor can help you discover hidden gems that serve great food at wallet-friendly rates. Drinks can quickly add up, so consider alternatives like enjoying local brews at happy hours or buying bottles of wine at grocery stores. Hydrating with water is not only healthier but also saves money. Small adjustments like these can keep your dining budget on track.